Communities are helping government feed school pupils following the recent distribution failure. More than 2 million pupils in KwaZulu-Natal alone rely on the National School Nutrition Programme. Senior reporter Dasen Thathiah gets some answers from the province's Premier.
The KwaZulu-Natal government has promised that all children relying on its school feeding scheme will be fed this week. This comes after a bungle between the Education Department and its service provider, Dasen Thathiah, which resulted in thousands of pupils not receiving their meals in the second term. The province's Premier has admitted it's a massive failure, which she says won't happen again.
That incident really was a shame to all of us. But now that we are now involved to help the department to ensure that they deliver this essential service that is needed by our learners, we're now also looking at the long term, so that this has been the short-term measure of intervention to make sure that the first priority, our kids must be fed. The second thing, what system is there in place? How are we going to make sure that now we sustain this so that this never happens again? So we're busy with that. We've established work streams, as you might have heard. We've got a legal work stream, we've got a finance work stream, we've got operations work stream and other work streams. Each one of those work streams have collated reports. We're going to be looking at those reports and we're going to be mapping out the way forward. But what we've also established is that because there was a new company that came, they came with new people, including the food handlers, including the service providers. So the whole system had a shock in terms of getting people who probably do not even know or understand the magnitude of this particular program. And we've said it can't happen that you have such a transition that is not managed. And surely for a project that is feeding 2.1 million learners, for that not to have a smooth transition between the previous people and the new people, that was a serious flaw from the department side.
Although Dasen Thathiah is being blamed, there was also insufficient oversight from government. To this end, an investigation is underway to find out if anyone will be held accountable. A final revised feeding scheme plan is expected within the next 3 months. I'm Dasen Thathiah in Durban.